Hey everybody, another rod release from G Loomis that just happened after I cast. And this one here is going to be replacing E6X. So for all you guys who love the E6X lineup, which was the entry-level lineup for G Loomis, this is the new rod here. I've got one in my hand. This is called GCX. So GCX is the new entry-level rod from G Loomis. This one is replacing E6X on the lineup. So the big thing about this rod, there's a couple things. Still traditionally MTD, multi-taper design. And multi-taper design is what gives Loomis those actions that are exclusive to Loomis in a lot of ways. Multi-taper design is actually a method in which they build the blanks, that they have these micro tapers that they can position in the mandrels when they're building the mandrels in different positions and affect the action of the rod without having to add scrims or more material or actually add weight or breaking points to the rod. So that's the big thing about MTD. So, you know, you get custom actions that are gonna load just during the casting portion, but when you hook a fish, the rest of the rod is gonna fire and load up as well. Or when you're setting the hook, you have certain tapers that are affecting the action of the blank. MTD does that. The big change from E6X is definitely, in my opinion, the tangle-free guides. So these are SeaGuide tangle-free guides that they've gone to on both spinning and casting. So I've got the SBR spinnerbait rod here. That is a spinnerbait double foot on the first couple, single foot, all tangle-free. And on the spinning rods, tangle-free, long foot guides that's gonna really keep that line away from your blank, which is a good thing as well. Fuji Reel Seats on these reels as well, and Cork, as you come to expect with G Loomis, that Cork handle. When it comes to handles, split grip on some of the spinning, full Cork on the SJRs, and then full Cork on all the casting. So for the models, there's 23 new models of the GCX rods, and of that, there are 14 casting, 9 spinning. So the nice thing I like about this is that not only did they bring back the most popular technique-specific rods like I've got here, the DSR 822 DSRS drop shot rod, or the SBR spinnerbait rods. For those of you who love the MBR mag bass rods, or the SJR spin jig rods, those tapers, they are now available in GCX as well in both spinning and casting. So spinning is going to be the SJR lineup, casting is going to have the MBR lineup. They also have technique-specific rods like usual. So, jig worm rods, JWRs in both spinning and casting, MBR mag bass rods, SBR spinnerbait rod, like I've got right here, FPR flip punch rod. They've got 2 CBRs, 2 crankbait rods, DSR, the drop shot rod, their most popular rod they have, which is the 822 SDSR, which is 6'10", medium power, extra fast action, and then SJR, the spin jig rod. So lots of cool stuff. The thing about this rod is that you're still getting that known and proven actions from Loomis at an entry-level price, and that's the beauty of GCX. So hope you guys get a chance to check them out. If you get into your local retailer, grab one, give it a flex, put a reel on it, cast it. I like them. They feel a little bit lighter. They're definitely crisp, and they have that Loomis action, which everybody is looking for. So there it is, guys. The new GCX from G Loomis. Do me a favor, subscribe to my channel. I do these reviews all the time, and I hope you guys have a great summer and catch a bunch of fish. We'll see you next one.